Hi, this is Mark with Right Line Trading. It's May 1st, and I wanted to go over our trade setups with you today on gold. Now we have our new quantitative analysis lines. These do the uh, quantitative assessment of multiple correlative markets, and we really are basically looking to trade in the direction of these correlative markets. Look at this trade. Why didn't we get this trade this morning? Must have come. Oh, you know what? It came with news. Something happened at 10 o'clock, and it just shot crude right through 959, 959, 959. See, these are all occurring in seconds. We would have been all over this trade, all occurring within the same second. So what we did was we got the move down, the retracement, and you can see that quant analysis, this red line here, showed that the multiple correlative markets were all down, and we got 6 ticks. Then there was a second retracement, and I just missed it. It's really a shame. It was a auto trader win. Went 14 ticks. It's really a shame. Would have closed us out a lot sooner today if I did not miss it. That was a hand me trade. Then we were done already. We had this move to the downside. See, quant analysis is red. Down we go for 10. And that was it. So there was a trade we took, this trade after the market closed. I mean, after our trading room was over, right here. And I missed one really, really nice trade. That was really unfortunate. But we got a first target on gold. Now, today was a tough market to trade. It was Friday, and also it's May Day in Europe. I think that banks are closed, and that really made it tougher. Now, through this whole period here, you can see there's nothing to trade. Nothing to trade here whatsoever. Now, here we have 2 quant lines because we have so many correlative markets. Now, this would have been a very aggressive short trade right here. This is at 11:42. Our market is already closed. But I would have taken this because of the quant lines. They rarely go red, red. And this would have been a very, very nice short to the downside. And that's it. There was no trade on the ES markets while we had the room open. Now we're going to be adding in bonds because the quantitative analysis line, the quantitative analysis of multiple markets is just stellar. And if you look, we had no trade. We had a trade at 725 that was absolutely fabulous. Another trade here at 736. Now this is $31.25 a tick. This is what if our room's not open, but if we were up this early, that would have been the end of the day. But then these are just too far off the modified 15 to trade to the downside here. These are also way off support to take these trades, but the quant line is so powerful that when you get it, it just pushes these trades right up. Same thing here. Now we didn't trade bonds today. Just going over it. It's the first day we've had the quant line operational, and here is the stellar short here or here. Here's the retracement short. And this is just absolutely very lucrative. Our room, unfortunately, is closed. But you could see, if you wait for the quant line and you get a nice setup, you know what? I'm not even looking at today. I didn't even realize that. Well, I just showed you some other trades. How do you like that? Sorry about that. Let me get over to today here. Here we go. I didn't think we had that much movement here. And this was right here. Here's your trade. Quant line red, red. And that was it. One really, really stellar trade right here. Perfect, perfect trade. Now, we had nothing on the ES today. We had a 5-tick winner, 6-tick winner on gold. And let's just take a look now. Oops. At crude. And we had an unbelievable trade on crude. $31 ticks. Unfortunately, it went about 7 ticks, came back to break even, just stopped us out, and then dropped 31 ticks. That was really a shame. That was our second winner. And you see the quant line was red. Then we had this 5-tick winner right here, break, the retracement, and the continuation down. And then this was just another nice trade that I only took with one contract that came back and took us out. So I should have stopped with 3 winners and no losers. I pushed it with one additional contract, given the fact that today was a holiday and there was really, really poor movement. We just missed getting a 31-tick winner here. Trading with these quant lines is just a fabulous situation. It increases the predictive value of the trades. When you have multiple correlative markets moving in your direction, it gives you an enormous amount of information. So we had 3 winners and a loser, which was a 1 contract loss. We had 31 ticks on crude and only could make 1 contract at 5 ticks. 2 got stopped out at 0 because it came right back to break even. It just top ticked us. The 5, I took 1 off at 5 and 2 off at 0. Then I had the -8 on 1 contract. Then on gold, we went 6. I had 1 off at 5 and 2 off at 4. So the net equity was only $160 today on 43 ticks. Auto Trader had 1 trade, 1 winner, 13 ticks. Net equity 300. The Auto Trader took that one beautiful gold trade that I missed that would have closed us out at 3-0 with close to $400 of profit today. But this is what we got. We didn't do bad for the first day in May on a holiday on a Friday. And the quant lines, I think, are really going to change the equation, our trading equation today. I really do. I mean, they're going to provide us with incredible predictive power. They're very, very powerful on the ES, very powerful on bonds, and they work great on gold and crude. And we're only going to be trading in their direction, and they're going to decrease the number of trades we take and increase the number of winners. Now, I invite everyone to come into the trading room and become a member. These quant lines are unique to Rightline. Nobody has them. It has taken us an enormous amount of time to do them. So sign up for a free trial to our live trading room, www.rightlinetrading.com. There you'll see a link to our daily net equity in the trading room, and that's going to show it. here's our live trading room results. We're up $5,040 this month. Here's a link to our that needs to be updated. It's way, way behind. Here's a link to sign up for a free trial to our trading room. Here's a link to subscribe to our weekly newsletter. And there's our contact us page. And there's our order now if you want to purchase anything. And I just want to go through the options because I never do that. Now this is the indicator suite. A lifetime indicator suite is $34.99. This is the live training room plus the indicator suite lease for $3.99 a month. Now this is just the trading room without the indicator suite. Now this is the live trading room plus our Ninja Dome trading platform. It's a trade execution platform that really gives you amazing configurations and an ability to get into trades much easier with minimum slippage and a significantly enhanced amount of precision. Now this doesn't come with the software. If you want the software also, that would be an additional price. Now this is our Auto Trader, Gold, Crude, and the Russell. And here's our ES Auto Trader. They're both $3.99 a month. And we will be running a webinar special where you're going to get the complete indicator package, lifetime access, NDT software, and actually this needs to be changed. That's going to be NDT software for life, live trading room for 6 months, and all the videos, and that special. Let's see if we have that up right. I don't know if we. Is going to be $29.75. So it's going to be a special price, and we have to modify this a bit too, because you actually get more than this. Now this is also the last opportunity to get the software with the integration of the quantitative analysis lines. After that, they'll be sold separately as a right line trading add-on. We did an enormous amount of work on them, enormous. So if you want to get them as a package integration at really a very, very low price, I think, because the software is incredibly powerful, very sophisticated, and really gives you the predictive value of every single trade you take. This is the opportunity to do it. So I hope everybody has a great weekend. We had a really, really good week, and I look forward to seeing everyone in the trading room on Monday. Take care.